Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 Toyota Fortuner, a midsize SUV that's built for adventure. Power and performance under the hood, you've got two engine options. The first is a proven 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine that delivers plenty of grunt for off-roading or towing heavy loads. It's like having a workhorse and a trailblazer in one. This powerhouse is paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, either a 6-speed or an all-new 8-speed depending on the trim level. Now, the 8-speed option is a big deal because it translates to better fuel efficiency without sacrificing that exciting pickup on the road. Of course, the Fortuner is all about conquering any terrain. Toyota's advanced 4x4 system with multiple drive modes lets you switch between highway cruising, tackling slippery mud, or powering through rocky trails. Rugged design and modern appeal. The new Fortuner gets a complete makeover on the outside. It's got a bold and muscular look with a wider, more aggressive front grille. The headlights are sharper, giving it a contemporary edge. But don't be fooled by the good looks, this SUV is built tough with a reinforced body structure that can handle anything you throw at it. On the inside, the focus is on comfort and technology. The cabin is spacious enough for 7 passengers, with high-quality materials and available leather seats that feel luxurious. The centerpiece is a large touchscreen infotainment system that's easy to use and keeps you connected and entertained on the go. Passengers won't be bored either, with rear-seat entertainment options available on some trims. Safety first, Toyota prioritizes safety in all its vehicles, and the Fortuner is no exception. It comes packed with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite, which includes features like pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, and dynamic radar cruise control. These features give you peace of mind and help you avoid accidents. Unique selling points. Off-road prowess. It's not just another SUV, it's a genuine off-road beast with the capability to handle any adventure. Durability and reliability. Toyota is known for its reliable vehicles, and the Fortuner is built to last for years to come. Choice and versatility. With different engine and trim options, you can customize the Fortuner to perfectly suit your needs and budget. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner is a compelling option for anyone who wants a powerful and comfortable SUV that can handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're a weekend adventurer, a growing family, or someone who needs a capable work vehicle, the Fortuner is definitely worth considering. If you're looking for a thrilling ride on any terrain, this SUV is a powerful contender. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car reviews.